Hey guys, it's another vlog, another day. I'm going to Boomers with my boyfriend. Say your name.
Matt.
Matt. And we're just got here, so. How many times are they gonna say it?
I don't know. It's driving me mad though.
We just got Boomers and we're heading home. Or not home, we're actually, he's taking a picture of me. We're gonna go on a walk, right?
Yeah.
Ugh. Ew, that's so gross. I made him take pictures of me outside next to the Boomers sign. And they look really cute. And there's a boomerang on my Instagram. I want a small white dog so bad. You know, we should get a dog. Do you like being filmed?
Not really.
It's so bright. I can only, oh my god, it is so bright out.
Let's go. I don't give a fuck about those other people.
Ow.
If I don't get this parking
This
spot
is
on my way out,
great.
babe, I'm abandoning shit. Fuck! I hear the train. Go, 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 go!
Do we have to leave?
I don't think we're ever gonna find parking. In Fairhaven.
Oh, yeah. But then we'd have to walk all the way back. I guess
Well,
we'd have to do that
we were
either
gonna do
way.
that here.
We can park in Fairhaven and then walk here.
That's what I was thinking, yeah. Somebody took the spot.
Dang, it is so bright. Ooh, does it make my earring look shiny? Or my highlight?
I'm not paying attention.
That's okay, I don't have to. I was just talking to myself. It's fine. Ugh. That's so much better. Just like, well, then you have to. Oh,
No.
sorry. Can you not
Jesus
see?
Christ. Okay. Stop it.
Sorry.
Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch.
So we're going to Fairhaven instead of the boardwalk because they just connect. So we're just gonna walk down to the boardwalk from Fairhaven. So we were planning on walking from the boardwalk to Fairhaven anyways. So we're just gonna do the opposite of what we did. So, and there's probably a lot more parking down here than there was back there. So, wow, this lighting is great. Oh, you have to wait for that car.
I know. I'm going to. Just wait.
Oh, that car's coming too. That car's coming too. Backseat driver. Finished our walk. How do you like it? Do you like the
good.
walk? Yeah.
Good to digest that burger.
I know. I have like a headache though, so that's fun. But it got like really windy at at the end of it, and so it was kind of cold, and like my face is so cold right now. But then it got okay at the very end, so that was nice. Me too. Hey guys, this is kind of like a sucky transition because it's now 11 p.m. but we didn't really do anything when we got home. So after the walk, we just went right home, and then we just watched a movie and just slept pretty much because we're super tired. And so I just didn't vlog any of it. But I believe that this vlog will be linked to tomorrow's vlog. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the morning. Good night.
Won't you say what's on your mind? Say what's on your mind verbatim. Tell me that you're mine. Show me what you made of. Say what's on your mind. Say that shit verbatim. Cause I've been second guessing everything.
We just got done at the orthodontist, and now we're going to get smoothies, and then we're going to meet up with some family, friends, or whatever, and go on a hike. Hey guys, I'm back home. I'm going to be cleaning my room, so I'm gonna eat lunch right now, and then I'm gonna start working on my room because it is a disaster. Okay, so here's an overview of what my room looks like. So I recently painted my walls, and so I have a whole bunch of crap. So in here, a whole bunch of laundry that I need to do. I just took a load down the washer, but I need to put more in. Here's my dog. Hello, puppy. Comment. Okay, anyways, so, and then when I clean all this up, this dresser will be going out, and all my stuff in my dresser is in this bin, in these bins and stuff, right here. So, yeah, and I also need to get a bed frame in here to redo it all, but, for right now, we're just going to be cleaning this all up and, organizing it and taking that down, so. Adorable. Yeah. Alright guys, so I just moved my dresser out into my hallway right here. Comment. Come on, get out. Okay, well, he's literally so dumb. He just stands there. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, anyways. So, I'm moving this right here. I believe I'm gonna have my mirror right here. And excuse the paint job. I did this and it does not look good, but it's fine. It took a while to do too, but it's okay. Okay, so we're making some progress. I put my jewelry over here and some of my shoes down here. I only 3 pairs, but then I just put some little decor because why not? And then I brought in my chair. There's still boxes, but I took out my makeup, at least some of it. And my perfume and just some stuff over here, but I still got a lot to go, and I'm definitely not gonna finish tonight, so but that's okay because I'm making a separate video for my room, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I hope to see your beautiful faces in my next video. Bye!